Hello friends, today I am going to show you how we can install stockifly on the cPanel. So I am on the cPanel dashboard. After that one I will go to file manager and I will go to public HTML where I want to install my application. So I will upload the downloaded file from the codecanyon. After uploading, I will extract the downloaded file. So here are three main folders. Auto update folder is used if we want to update our existing installed application. For that one, we have to move all the content of auto update folder to the root directory of our installed application. Document folder contain the documentation and script folder contain script for the installation. So we will move all the folder other than the script folder. Now I will go to script folder. If you will not see .env file, you can view .env file or hidden files from the settings show hidden files. Now I will move all the folder and files to the root directory by selecting and moving to the root directory. Now script folder is empty, so I will delete this script folder. Now I will go to my domain. So right now it is showing me forbidden error. If I move my path to /public, then it will show me the installer. So I want to remove this public path from the domain. So for that one we have to follow this document. So to remove the public from the URL, we will create an htaccess file and will put that content inside that HTML file. So here I will create an .htaccess file. If it is already present, then you can add this content to your .htaccess file. Now I will go to my domain and reload the domain. So now I can access without the public. Now I will click on the next step for the installer. Here I will enter the database credential. So let's create database for the application. For that one I am going again to my cPanel dashboard. Here I will go to MySQL databases and create database name. And create the database. Similarly, I will create a username for the and generate the password. So I am copying this password and creating this user. After that, we have to add this database to this user and give all privileges to this database. So database is created successfully. Now go to our installer. On the localhost we will enter hostname. In the hostname we will enter localhost and the password I copied, so I paste here. After that one I will put username, that is stockifly user, and the database password is stockifly ERP. Now if any module is not installed, we will install it from the cPanel dashboard from the select PHP version, and these are the modules. If I disable this module, then it will show me a error, this zip module is not installed. So we have to install all these modules from the cPanel dashboard. Again I refresh, it is successfully installed. Now go to next step. Now the permission is issued, so we have to give this folder 775 permission. So let's move to the cPanel file manager. I will go to storage, logs, right click, change permission and give it to 775 permission. After that I am reloading the page again. Now the permissions are correct, so go to next step. It is installing the app. Now the application is successfully installed, so we can use these credentials for logging purpose. After that I can log in, and I have to set up these initial settings.